This is so cool. It's such an awesome thing to have up here. The kids love it. It's so cool to get them outside. Something I'm jealous of that we didn't have when I was a kid.
This is one of the most exciting things I've been involved in. All 81 projects that we're delivering is what our community has been asking for.
What we're trying to do with this project is to build on and utilise the mana of our area, of our town, and incorporate them within our po.
The community engagement has been awesome, with so many interest groups represented within the project working group. It has meant that we have been able to deliver all the right projects in all the right places. So often in placemaking projects, Māori are consulted but are not necessarily at the heart of the doing. In this case, Te Hiku iwi are front and centre in deciding what gets done and how it gets done.
The exciting thing about this project is that locals have not only been involved in the decision making, but they've been involved in the delivery, and the procurement process has ensured that they have many more years of work to come.
So for this initiative, the Council's provided formal training for 69 people across 81 projects. The benefits are obvious. I mean, more skilled people in the North progresses as a whole.
They were awesome. First they got us together to let us know what work was coming up. Then they sat down with us again to let us know what we needed to do to upskill our staff to be awarded the tenders.
The upside is that we'll all be able to tender for council work in the future. It's a huge opportunity that we've all been missing out on.
It's been a challenging procurement space, but we've taken an innovative approach to how council works with local contractors, how they enable those local businesses, and how we bring them along the procurement process.
Our project has created a number of opportunities for local artists just like Kiri and Grayson, who have won a number of streetscaping contracts through our project and gone on to do amazing things since.
You know what, it is so great with all the stuff happening around here. It's just bringing a real buzz to our community, for our kids. It's so awesome to have it all happening.
Okay, try that again.
Oh God! Here
Well, yes, it is, yeah.
Yeah, you're done.
Perfect shot.